Bana, son, I heard you say you're going to miss his advice. But one thing beautiful about, I think, life is that those who have left are never gone. Where they live inside our heads. And many times you are going to be hearing that voice as you're doing something. What you're going to be having is your fatherly God speaking to you and continue to guide you. Listen to that voice. And baby girl, Alwande, it was lovely speaking with you. What a beautiful soul I heard in your voice. Thank you, my baby. One thing I can say, libitso la ka lengwetswe wrong. But I'm glad my son on TV introduced me, and I was wondering, but how can you get this surname wrong that has been making headlines almost weekly? Sugar, in 1981 when I started with Gibson Kente, that's when I met Sugar. I don't know if ever, was it at the beginning of Highland, Regina? Just raise your hand and say yes. Yeah? So which means Nalia, now we started, I think, our professional careers at the same time. And, we started to go back, and when you did your thing, if you don't know the teachings of Bragib, but I don't want to, I think, speak too long. Acting like priesthood is a calling. And if there's anything that perhaps our society and our government can do is realize that we are here as priests. We may not preach the gospel in the manner that priests do, but the gospel that we are preaching is the reflection of who we are and affirming our identity.